Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. TV Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about how to create string object. So the main concept is strings. What is a string? A basic definition that we learn from C language also. String is some group of characters that are placed within double quotations as usual. Anyway, the definition of string is within double quotation. If you return anything, that is called a string. See this one, welcome is a string, hello, how is a string. Now generally the elements or the characters in the string are organized according to index value. What is mean by this one? Assume if my string is welcome. Now W is available at 0th position, first position, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. The characters in the string are organized according to the index value. Okay. Remember, string is not a primitive data type in Java. In Java, a string object is created by using three predefined classes. These are the three classes: string class, string buffer class, or string builder class. By using any one of the class, you are creating string object. You can use any one depending upon your requirement. Anyway, I will explain in which situation you are using which class, we will discuss. But first, coming to string class. Remember, if you are create an object that is a string object by using string class, that is immutable. Default string is a predefined class. You already said whenever you want to use a predefined class, you need to import package. But strings you no need to import. Why? The string is available in lang package. Lang is the default package. Even though you are not importing, automatically it is available to your program. And if you are creating the objects that are by using string class, the objects are immutable. Immutable in the sense, once an object is created, it is not possible to modify. For example, if I create a string s is equal to hello, assume. It is not possible to change a value at 0 position, a value at 1 position, or it is not possible to append some value. It is not possible to delete some value. Anyway, if you do some modifications, it destroys the existing memory. It creates a new memory with another name. Okay. So, immutable in the sense not possible to modify. Fine. Now, create the string object. We are using two ways. There are two ways for creating the string object. The first one is string literal process. Second one is new operator process. What is the difference? String literal process means like C language, C++ you are using. Directly you are assign the value. See this one. What is the data type? String. Here actually this is not a data type. String is a class. S1 is the reference variable. That is S1 is an object for the class string. Directly you can assign within double quotation. This is one way of creating the string. The second way is by using new operator. What is mean by this one? As usual, how to create an object? Class name. Object is equal to new class name of exactly. In the similar fashion, you are creating a string. Here, what is the class name? String. So, see this one. String is the class name. Object. This is object space. The name of the string is equal to new string of. This is the constructor. Within this one, I passed welcome. That means one object S2 is created. Within this one, within that memory location, value welcome is stored. Value welcome is stored. Clear? These are the two ways. Then what is the difference? Anyway, I will explain the difference. Before going to the difference, first you have to know the basic methods. The basic methods. First method is toString. What is the purpose of method? For example, if I create a string and I print the value. Observe in the last session also. In the last session we discussed reading input from the user. There I used string s is equal to sc dot next line. Clear? Whenever I am printing the value, it print the value. Fine. There s is not a primitive data type. S is an object. How do we print the values? S is an object. How do we print the value? Generally, this toString method is available, which is used to extract the data. To extract the data from the object. So, string is an object. Whatever the data present within that object, to extract that one, you are using toString method. See this one? To display the data from the object. Anyway, this is auto-executable and it is executed automatically. That means even though you are not writing, suppose here I am directing system.out.println s, it produces the value, or else s dot toString, both have same meaning. Anyway, you need to know s in the sense directly data is not displayed. For that, yes, toString is attached automatically and this toString method only display the data from the object. Now, next method is length, the basic one. To find out the length of a string, how many number of characters that are present in the string. What is the syntax? As usual, any method, string object dot method name, string object dot method name. So assume if str is my string object dot length, what it returns? The basic thing, length of the string is the number of characters. Obviously, it returns some integer. Now, this method plays a very crucial role. Why? I already said the characters in the string are arranged in sequential order. Assume my string is welcome. How it is stored? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Clear? My string is stored in this fashion. Suppose if assume this is assigned to s, I want to access a character at position number 1. In C language, directly if you are writing 1, you can access. In Python also you can access, but it is not possible in Java. It is not possible in Java. To retrieve a character based on some index, you need to use the char at method. Caret method is used to retrieve the character from the string based on some index. See this one, str dot caret of index. It returns the character. Okay. Now, I will explain these methods. I will explain these three methods along with how to create a string in two different ways by considering one example program. Class demo string 1. Assume this is my class name. Now, public static void main string args. Okay. Within this one, write down the different ways of string creation. String some s1 is equal to welcome to Java. This is the first way, this is first approach for creating a string. Now, I am creating one more string. String s2 is equal to new string of, suppose welcome to MLRIT. This is my second string. Now you can use any way, but internally there is one difference. When you get this difference means, so whenever you know the comparison methods, equals method, compare to operator and double equal to operator, at that time, that is in the next session, I will explain what is the difference between these two ways of creation in terms of string constant pool and heap. Now coming to this one, here whatever the methods you learn, only apply those methods. String, sorry, not string, just to read only to system dot out dot println S1 is equal to plus S1. Directly you can write S1. Even though you are writing directly object, internally what happened? ToString method is attached. Even though you are writing, not an error. If you are not writing also, ToString method is automatically attached. System.out.println. Now system.out.println S2 is equal to S2 dot. Clear? ToString method is just to display the data from the object. Even though you are writing object, ToString is automatically attached. Now coming to next one, length of a string. System.out.println S1 length is equal to S1 dot length. Directly S1 dot length, you are getting the length of a string. Now length of S2 is equal to S2 dot. Now you observe, if you want to calculate the length, particular string object dot length. Now next one is the most important. If you want to get a character at a specified string, so character at index, suppose 2 in S1 is equal to, that is from the string S1, you need to extract the character at index number 2. S1 dot, how do you write? Char at of, within bracket, write down the index. Within bracket, write down the index. Similarly, if you want to extract the character from position number 5 in S2, you can write any position. S2 dot caret of 5. Now you observe, like this I created a string S1 and S2 in two different ways. I applied ToString method, length method and caret method. Length method and caret method. Now save this program. Demo string1.java. Go to command prompt, D drive, Java C space demo string1.java, Java space demo string1. Observe, first string S1 is equal to welcome to Java, S2 is equal to welcome to MLRIT, S1 length 15, S2 length 16, character at index 2 in S1 is L. Observe, W 0 position, E first position, L second position. So at second position I have a character L, and in the string S2 at fifth position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M is there. Now you got it. This is the way to read a string and to read a specific character and to find the length of a string and to display the character data from the object. You can use any way. For example, here even though I removed this one, not a problem. Save. Again, compile, execute. See, you are getting same answer. So, toString is automatically attached. toString is automatically attached. Clear? Now, what we discussed finally in this session, we discussed how to create a string object from the string class, and we discussed three important methods: length method, toString method, and then caret method. Okay, in the next session, we discussed what is the difference between these two ways of creation and then string comparison, along with some more methods that are available in the string class. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.